Here's your Google Classroom for this week. We're focusing on short and long vowels. All of our vowels will be in the middle of our words, and our words are represented by pictures. So at the top, you're going to find what letter or what vowel you're looking for. This one says find the pictures with short A. So down here I have 5 choices. I'm going to look at each of these choices and say them out loud. I can chop them up slowly so I can hear the vowels in the middle. So I have pen, p, e, n. I know that doesn't say ah like short A, so I'm not going to do anything to that one. I have cat, k, a, t. I hear ah in the middle of the word, which is short A, so I'm going to click him and pull him up to the box. My next one, crab, k, a, b. I hear the ah sound in the middle of the word, so I click him and drag him up to the top box. I have frog, g. I hear the sound, which is I know is a short O, so I'm not going to do anything to that one. And I have sad, d. And I hear the short A sound, so I'm going to drag that up. Now your second part to this job is that you have to spell one of your words, one of the short A words that you pulled up here. Now I don't care which one you do, you just have to pick one that you can spell. So I'm going to go right over top of my question mark, make sure my cursor is right on top of it. I'm going to double click, which means 2 clicks, so it turns blue, and then I'm going to spell my word. I'm going to do the middle word, crab. So I'm going to chop it out and hear my sounds. K, b. I know that's C, k, R, A, B, b. Crab. Then when I'm done with that, I'm going to go on to the next one and do short E. Then once you do E, I, O, and U, you're going to go to your long vowels. And you can see that I changed the color to green, so you know that there's a difference. And remember, all of your long vowels have the name sound. So the long A says A. And you're going to do the same thing. You're going to pull up those pictures that have the long A sound, and then pick one to spell here at the end. When you're all finished with long U, make sure you turn it in to your teacher so she can grade it.